Mr. Diller, activate your video. Good morning, everyone. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no talking, reading, eating, sleeping, chewing the gum. Please, when your name is called, unmute your devices and give your full attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
That way, we can start with Gregory Raymore. This is the People versus, oh, and good morning, Mr. Bachman. Sorry.
Good morning, Your Honor.
This is the People versus Gregory Raymore, ticket number P1274452. Count one, failed to display a valid operator's license, not in person. Count two, expired plate. And count three, no proof of insurance. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Raymore. Good morning. Would you announce your full name to the court, please?
Gregory Raymore.
Your Honor, there is a stipulation here to dismiss the incident cases against the defendant. I would stipulate the probable cause for that recommendation. Thank you.
All right, so these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Mr. Raymore, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
This is the People versus Demontez Dillard, ticket number P1222636. Count one, violation of basic speed law, drove unsafe manner. Count two, pass on right. Ticket number P1224200. Count one, drove on license not valid or improper license. And count two, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
Please support, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Demontez Dillard.
Thank you, Your Honor. These matters are set for trial respectively at 8:30 and 8:35 a.m. It is now 9:30 a.m. And without a complaining witness, we do not believe the people will be able to proceed. Ask the court to consider here a motion to dismiss without prejudice, Your Honor.
These matters were set for trial at, it's like 8:30 and 8:35. And no officer has checked in, so these will be dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Dillard, good luck.
All right, thank you.
All right, this is the People versus Lakia Dunbar, ticket number P1225597. Count one, dirty, obscured, improperly displayed plate. Count two, failed to use seatbelt, assembly system, 1985. And ticket number P1225591. Count one, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count two, improper plates. And count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good. Morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your full name, please.
Lakia Dunbar.
Thank you. These matters are set for trial, Your Honor. Without a complaining witness, we're asking you to consider here a motion to dismiss without prejudice. Thank you.
All right, these matters were set for trial at 8:30 and 8:35. It is now 9:35. No officer has appeared, so these will be dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Good luck. All right, this is the People versus Aaron Roy. Ticket number P1274318. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, expired plate. Good Morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Bosman.
May it please the court, Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your full name for the record.
Aaron Michael Roy.
Thank you, Your Honor. The defendant has presented today valid documentation. I am in possession of a photo that he sent to my attention. I have forwarded that to Ms. Horn. It is of his Michigan registration, which expires on the 8th of June in 2023 for vehicle number, last four digits ending in 477, 3430. It's also shown me an insurance policy valid from June 13th of this year to December 13th of this year for a 2011 Cadillac STS, and that he presents today with valid documents. I'm asking the court to consider here a motion to dismiss without prejudice and with stipulation probable cause. Yeah, for the recommendation, yes.
All right, so these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Roy. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the People versus Dewan Rogers, ticket number P1269665. Count one, drove while license not valid for proper license. Count two, failed to use seatbelt assembly system 1985. And count three, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman, P55052 on behalf of the defendant. Would you state your name for the record?
Dewan Rogers.
Thank you. Mr. Rogers is asking for a next action date, Your Honor, an adjourned pretrial so that he can come back in compliance.
He wants, what is he asking for? He wants to adjourn this, what is this?
Yeah, an adjourned pretrial, Your Honor. He's going to come back in compliance. He's 2/3 of the way there. He just needs to, what is it, Mr. Rogers, you getting your license? Right.
Yeah, I got the road test today at 3 o'clock.
He doesn't want to just set up for a trial,
We can do that as well, if that pleases the court.
for a bench trial? Okay. Let's set up for a bench trial. Mr. Rogers, you want to raise your right hand? You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Say yes. Okay, you can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Okay, has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Said that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Can you say it again? I'm sorry.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Oh, yes.
Okay, so the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for July 29th, and the offer remains open, so.
Thank you.
You can just deal with everything then. All right? Any questions?
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
You're all set, sir. Good luck.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Good luck.
This is the People versus Ashley Risper, ticket number P1273635, count one, 11 to 15 miles per hour over posted speed, count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Bachman.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your full name for the record.
Good morning, Ashley Risper.
Ms. Risper is going to hear and now waive rights and plead guilty pursuant to the recommendation, Your Honor.
All right, so with that, Ms. Risper, Mr. Bachman, do you stipulate to the face of the ticket?
Yes, for the purpose of the plea here today, yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
So the court will amend that count to limited access, 15 to 55 mile per hour zone, and will you stipulate to probable cause as to the remaining count to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
All right, so that's dismissed without prejudice. We will proceed to sentencing. There is going to be a fine, I think it's $125, which is due on July 8th. You have it paid by July 8th.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
You're all set. You're all set, ma'am.
Thank you.
Right.